The best drones for hunting games are becoming a nice helper for hunters, allowing them to scout for prey and get a bird's eye view of their surroundings. Drones are equipped with the best cameras, software, and other things that will help you become a better hunter. In this video we will look at some of the best drones for hunting game on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description box below. Number 1. Parrot F11 Anafi. Look no farther than the Parrot F11 Anafi drone if you're seeking the best drone for hunting games. This is a great drone for hunters games because it is fun to operate. The drone with a 4K HDR camera that provides you with crisp, sharp photographs and movies to help you plan your hunting expedition. This drone's biggest feature is that it can fly for up to 23 minutes, which is more than enough time to capture all of the footage you need. You won't have to worry about the drone getting lost in the woods because it features a return to home feature. Overall, the Parrot F11 Anafi drone is an excellent choice for hunters of all skill levels, and it will undoubtedly assist you in planning your next hunting trip. Number 2. DJI Phantom 4 Pro. The DJI Phantom 4 is another great option for hunters who want to be able to take pictures and videos of their prey while they are out hunting. This drone comes with a 3-axis gimbal that will keep the camera still no matter how you fly. It also has a flight time of up to 28 minutes and a maximum speed of 44 miles per hour. You can utilize follow me and POI modes to keep the drone safe. An operated camera is equipped with a 1-inch megapixel sensor capable of shooting 4K/60 fps video and burst mode stills at 14 fps. The adoption of titanium alloy and magnesium alloy construction increases the rigidity of the airframe and reduces weight, making the Phantom 4 Pro similar in weight to the Phantom 4. The flight autonomy system adds dual rear vision sensors and infrared sensing systems for a total of direction of obstacle sensing and direction of obstacle avoidance. Number 3. Potensic Dreamer Pro. We will assist you with our recommendations so that you can have a great drone for hunting games. One of the cheap drones for hunting is the Potensic Dreamer Pro. The Potensic Dreamer Pro is an excellent hunting drone. It contains a 4K HD camera that can capture clear images and movies of your prey, as well as a GPS system that allows you to track your prey. In addition, the Dreamer Pro features a follow me option that allows the drone to follow you around. The drone can also fly for up to 25 minutes, allowing you to spend more time away from the field. Dreamer drone integrated the fast charging technology can be fully charged within 2 hours for 28 minutes flight time. Intelligent 4S battery with overcharge and over-discharge protection, more safety than ever. This elegant and practical carrying case equipped with custom storage spaces to accommodate your drone's accessories. Upgraded stability on 3-axis can deliver hyper-smooth footage no matter how shaky when flying. This 3-axis gimbal drone helps to capture more dynamic details for your high-quality videos. Ideal for sports video during running, riding, skating, vlog. Number 4. DJI Mavic 2 Zoom. The Mavic 2 Zoom has a low-drag aerodynamic body design that allows it to reach speeds of 44.7 miles per hour. A 4-cell LiPo battery that provides up to 31 minutes of flight time, and low-noise propellers that will enable it to record without being distracting. Its power and performance are combined with many shooting modes and features for stunning outcomes. To keep the Mavic 2 Zoom safe and in control, DJI has included OcuSync 2.0 video transmission technology, which can send a video feed in full HD 1080p quality to an optional controller from up to 5 miles away. With sensors on both sides of the Mavic 2 Zoom, omnidirectional obstacle sensing delivers object avoidance. The DJI Mavic 2 Zoom is a professional-grade hunting drone with a 2x 24-48mm optical zoom camera and a 1/2.312MP sensor that allows you to go closer to the action. Number 5. Ruko F11. This drone is fantastic for photography and cinematography. With this drone, I could capture every moment in the woods, resulting in stunning photographs and films with high-resolution effects. It was a lot of fun because it flew over us and provided every detail about the animals in our immediate vicinity. I felt like I was in a movie, and the drone forced me to take every shot of the woods. With this drone in my hand, I had a lot of fun hunting because it is the best drone for hunting fun in the woods. This drone features accurate GPS tracking and air pressure, and it can hover steadily to prevent camera vibration and ensure high-quality video and images. On your first flight, you can use the beginner mode if you're new to piloting a drone. Keep an eye on the height and ensure it won't run into any obstacles on the way back. This drone will automatically return to the original takeoff place if the battery runs out or the remote control loses signal. You can also return the drone by pressing the remote control's one key takeoff landing button. I don't have to be concerned about losing this drone due to a faulty operation or high winds during flying. The most recent position will be saved and displayed on the app's map. Using the app map, I could track and locate the drone quickly.